Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be watching a storm system move into the area tonight, and that will bring us yet another dose of some rain and also some freezing rain as a result. The National Weather Service has, as a precaution, issued flood watches for Oneida, Herkimer County as well, and down toward Fulton and Montgomery counties. Reason being all the snow melt, the fact that we're going to get probably close to an inch of rain tomorrow, if not a little bit more than that, could lead to some minor flooding in some of the more typical flood-prone areas, especially when you start talking about snow melt and things like that. That's what you'll have to look out for through tomorrow morning, as we do get a little period of heavy rain in here for tomorrow morning. Elsewhere, freezing rain advisories, winter weather advisories, basically just saying that the possibility is there for a little bit of frozen precipitation later on tonight. 35 degrees right now at Rome. Skies are clear, winds are light, so temperatures are going to continue to fall out there over the next few hours. There's a very thin layer of high clouds, but it's really not going to do much to our temperature, so I expect from Rome north and east temperatures to fall off pretty good here over the next couple hours, down through the 30s, and in some cases even into the 20s out there, and that kind of sets the table for once we get that rain to move in later on tonight. Temperatures near or just below freezing. That's why we're talking a little bit about freezing rain. You can see our storm system developing out here. Lots of moisture with this. Lots of rain down over the Ohio Valley and parts of the Midwest, and this continues to lift up to the north and east towards us, and it will arrive here after midnight tonight. Let's talk about it here as we take a look at our future precipitation on our microcast model. Rest of the night tonight, you're fine for this evening. It's after midnight tonight that we start to notice a little bit of precipitation start to move into the southern and western fringes of our viewing area. That moves right on through here as we go through the overnight period and into tomorrow morning. Our microcast really not showing much in the way of freezing rain, so that's why I think we're going to have a brief period of it before it changes over to plain rain just about everywhere except the interior Adirondacks here. That's where we think the best chance for some more significant icing is possible up that way. But notice a lot of yellow showing up. Some heavier rainfall is going to be the case as we go into tomorrow morning. So your morning rush is going to need the windshield wipers probably on high out there. The good news, though, rain departs by about midday. We just left with a few showers during the afternoon. And then as we go into tomorrow night, other than a few scattered rain showers, things should be quiet. And into the overnight period tomorrow night, a few light snow flurries are possible as Lake Ontario tries to respond just a little bit and get some lake effect going up that way later on tomorrow night. Bottom line, all rain south and west of Utica. Some of the cooler spots in Otsego County, eastern Oneida County, and Herkimer County. We could see a trace up to a tenth of an inch of ice before it changes over to rain. A tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch of ice is possible in the interior Adirondacks. So if you are traveling north later on tonight and into tomorrow morning, use caution up that way. So rain arrives tonight. Temperatures down to near 30 degrees or so. They'll rise a bit through tomorrow morning. Check out our high tomorrow. Even with the freezing rain, we're going to get up into the 40s tomorrow afternoon and probably close to 50 degrees as well. Now on Saturday, other than a morning flurry, it should be pretty quiet out there with temperatures in the upper 30s. Sunday, upper 30s as well, with a mix of sun and clouds. Increasing clouds Sunday night into Monday. Coastal storm at this point really not looking like too big of a deal, so some good news there, but we could see a little bit of snow to help try and start the rebuilding process of the snowpack that will inevitably happen over the next few weeks. We'll keep you posted. Steve and Kristen, over to you.
It's inevitable.